Did you know whenever you see two numbers together, the first one is the tens? For example, 2 and 6. The first one is the tens. The tens is 20. So we have 26. Easy peasy. For example, if we have 7 and 1. The first one is the tens. So we have 71. Therefore, the same thing applies to money. Remember, guys, the first number is the tens. So we have 10 pounds. Guys, remember the first number is the tens. This is 50 naira. Remember, guys, 1 is units, 2 is tens, 3 is 100. See you in my next class. Bye.